a man that is in Starkville faces charges after a 2-year-old accidentally shot himself. Police say the incident happened December 15th on Louisville Street, where the toddler accessed an unsecured firearm in a drawer. Now, the child was taken out of the area for treatment, but their condition is unknown at this time. Nigel Cheatham was charged with child deprivation of necessities with substantial harm and is being held in the Oktibbeha County Jail. Anyone with information is asked to contact Starkville Police or Golden Triangle Crime Stoppers.